If you want to add music to the video on the Redmi Note 15, start by opening the gallery and now go over here and then open the camera. Now pick your video, then click on the scissor icons, and here click on the music, and now click to add a music. Now as you can see, you can find some default musics. You can play this by clicking here and just wait until it will be downloaded. So now we can take a look how it sounds. You can just click plus to add this, but also you are able to add the custom sound, so you can import something from your files, for example from the audio files. So if I want to get, for example, the blinding lights from the weekend, I have to click on it, then click plus. Now I can remove actually this one, this track that I previously had, and now let's play this. There we go. And that's how it looks. Of course you can change, the part of this song. If you want to make any part, you will have to just move it like that, then expand, and you have to cut the first part. So if I want to get this like middle part, now we have to hold it to move it. There we go. Now drag it like that, and let's try to play it. There we go. That's how we can adjust this music file and the specific part of the music that you want to put. Now we have to click save in the right upper corner and the process will be finished.